So the basic principle of FastLC is, as the title tells, is the fast analysis within a few minutes or even less than a minute. It means that the peak width is very narrow, in the range of few seconds or less than 1 second, and then it requires very fast detection techniques. When we are talking about coupling of FastLC with mass spectrometry, we need analyzers with a scanning rate at least 20 Hz. So typically, just TOF analyzers can pass these requirements, and we have various hybrid QTOF or linear ion trap TOF analyzers which can follow such requirements. Unfortunately, we cannot couple FastLC with Fourier transform analyzers like Orbitrap or ICR because the speed of such analyzers is simply not compatible with FastLC requirements.